Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Presiden Jangka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee Bak Vincent H. Pala Ulaong mak Jingkhang kadang Plie yang Menteri Rambak Barim Jangka Jala Dr. Mukul Sangma ban Wan Phai biang Syaka Sem Jangka Seng Congress. Haga jing akaran berkilat Pathai Kubor Bak Pala Ulaong Bak Congress kalong bak Kloy ban Kudup biang Yakinong Trey Bat Kinong Yalam Kibalami ino naka parti Namar bak Congress Kamde setia ke parti Jong Bak Pala Marwai Ndai ka parti Jong Kipaj Bak.
Mukul Sangma, we will welcome anybody who left the party because the party doesn't belong to Pala or Dr. Bom or Baroni. A party belongs to everyone. When anybody leave the party and join back, that will need a concern of the AICC. So Libera told me she's willing to bring. So I told her, you work, we have no problem. But in case if anybody, be it the Mukul Sangma or any of the leaders who wants to join back the party, we have to send to Delhi and Delhi will give us a nod. So I think again amongst us also will be decide. Whoever joined the party, we sit among ourselves, we decide. So I don't think we have a problem anybody joining us in the party, be it Mukul, be it anybody. I think it's a party is only a platform. Everybody have the right to join and it's a platform where everybody has the opportunity also. Unfortunately, I fully agree with you. Even now, you see, you combine the vote share of TMC and the Congress, we would have got not less than 22 candidates. So definitely. But sometimes, luck doesn't favor. So I believe that every dog has his day. So today is my day, tomorrow is your day, and day after tomorrow is someone's day. So I think this is a part of life. So what I think is very embarrassing for us to approach the president of the party to join us. He left us and then, he's such a senior man. So we did not approach Bachals. I think honestly, none of us approached Bachals and I don't think that he joined us. He's the president of the party. He must be having ethics. He must be having his own pride also. I don't think so.